if you're making a film like that, I would love to be a part of it.
Uh, Most certainly, homework to mil gaya, chalo. And you are the main mover. You are the voice of the film. You are the soul of the film. For the uninitiated who haven't seen Tufan yet, so you're already part of a sports film, another
I
sports
am,
film.
yes. Another I want to do, but Rita, I have
She's
to
greedy.
mention,
Yeah.
I am very greedy. I'm very selfish when it comes to an actor.
Picking up from here, and you are a mixed martial arts exponent yourself. Do you see yourself playing a sports person sometime soon?
Yes, of course. I would love, love, love to be a part of a film where I am a sports person. I can't wait to actually, because and also like the way. Thank you to Rakesh sir for writing Ananya. She, I think, she's amazing. Not because she's vulnerable, but because she's so strong, and we really need women like Ananya. And even in future films that I do, I want to be somebody who's mentally strong, and something that people have like we meet a lot of girls in our real life, and they're the heroes. Like, having said that, yes, I am waiting for Sir to give me a script where I get to play either, I would love to be a swimmer because I'm hydrophobic. And I was reading the book, and I read that Sir's son was mentioning that how he just pushed him into the pool without any notice while he was 3. And I really need a director like Rakesh sir who could just like push me in that pool or in that ocean, and I just want to like get rid of my fear. And so probably I can, like, sir, if you're making a film like that, I would love to be a part of it.
Uh, Most certainly, homework to mil gaya, chalo. I was without a job now. I have now one. No, incredible. And I think, Mrinal, you uh, are already a part of a very important sports film. And you are the main protagonist in the film, along with Farhan, of course. And you are the main mover. You are the voice of the film. You are the soul of the film. For the uninitiated who haven't seen Tufan yet, how many of us have seen Tufan? Sorry. Okay, this is great. Actually,
I'm also going to
Most
raise
oh
of
my
it.
wow,
hands.
yeah. I've never had such a reaction on any of my film that more than 50% of the house has seen it. Yes, over time, I'm sure we'll all catch it. Uh, so, for the ones who haven't seen the film, it's about making the right choices in life. And all of us always have choices. And this has been written in our Puranas and the Vedas always. And that's the beauty is they've never preached you, they've always given you a choice, and then you have to choose. And that's Mrinal's character in the film called Ananya Prabhu. Ananya Prabhu is a doctor. She's independent, she's confident, she has a voice. And how she molds the life of a street fighter, a goon, you know, a gang member of a bhai. And she sees the fire in him and she channelizes him into becoming uh, a great a boxer, a sportsman, and a national champion who has potential to go out uh, and win more laurels for the country also. It's a very heart-rending film. Also, it is not so simple for her. It is not just uh, showing somebody the path. She also is fighting her own demons and her own war of bias and prejudice in what the society faces at large. So it was not an easy role, Mrinal, and I'm so glad that you accepted to be a part of it. And today, no, it's not in that way, but the universe conspires. I think the right thing happens to all of us, always if we stay positive. So you're already part of a sports film, another
I
sports
am,
film.
yes. Another I want to do, but Rita, I have
She's
to
greedy.
mention.
Yeah.
I am very greedy. I'm very selfish when it comes to an actor. But trust me, Rita, when I was on the movie set, on Tufan when we were filming, and I'm a big fan of real locations, and so he himself is. He told me one thing that Mrinal, that's your playground. Just go play. just go act. He never told me what I'm supposed to do, and that's what I love about him. If he felt like I was little distracted or I was going little off track, he would always be like, Ani, let's do it this way. I was like,
How
okay, and
nice.
that's the most beautiful thing about Sir. Um, and trust me, I cannot get enough. I mean, I just feel like, you know, even though the journey Tufan, we've stopped, we're not filming anymore. I just want to go back on sets, and I literally am having the hangover of, you know, I'm missing my set so much, and I can't wait for Sir to make Tufan 2, or where I'm actually in the ring this time.
Amazing. Rinal, any high point of your struggle that you'd like to share with us? Because
So my family had moved to Kerala, and I was staying here in a hostel, and I really did not enjoy the hostel life. Trust me. Um, I used to dream that one day I'll just like have a house of my own, and I really worked towards it. And the progress, it took like lot of time, but it happened, and I knew that one day I'm going to make that difference. Uh, to appear in front of camera and to appear on television was like a big task, because coming from a Maharashtrian background, from a family who was not really comfortable with me being an artist, being an actor, it was difficult to convince them. But like Mughal-e-Azam changed everything for Sir. For me, it was Three Idiots.
wow.
Yes. So, you know, like how you see how the characters, they follow their heart, they follow their passion, and पैसे तो क्या है, अगर आपका job, if you enjoy working, if you love doing what I mean, you should just enjoy doing what you really love. So I just followed that, and I made sure that I'm sorry, mom and dad, but I convinced and I manipulated them to allow me to pursue Bachelor of Mass Media, and then allow me to to be an actor. And after the first show, they were so proud of me, because I had a conversation. This was the first time I was having an honest conversation with my family. I think these were very, very important. You know, also for like my friends, they are unable to do what they want to, they desire, because their parents want them to be in a certain way. They want them to be either a doctor or an engineer. But trust me, whoever, I'm like, please guys, like allow your kids to follow their passion. And I'm sure they will excel, because nobody is as amazing. You know, in the book also, Sir has mentioned that the biggest competitor is you yourself. So, but स्कूल में ये सिखाया जाता है कि उसको इतने मार्क्स मिले तो तुमको भी ज़्यादा मार्क्स मिलना चाहिए. So please don't compare your child with the other kids around.
koimoi.com